GM everyone, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to host an open call on the Webbie Social platform. So to host an open call is really easy. I'm going to show you how to do it and also show you some other exciting features on the Webbie Social platform. So make sure you stick with me to the end. So to open to host an open call on Webbie Social is as simple as ABC. You're going to first come to the Webbie Social platform, webbiesocial.com. Once you're logged in and everything, this is how the home tab will look like. And then you come here and you will see host open call. So once you click that, you click host open call, and then it's going to take you to this website where you see literally everything I said in the short video I made, and then you can click this button apply now. So but you need to know that there's a flat hosting and promotion fee starting at $79. Okay, so this covers your events, literally the full integration and outreach across the Webbie Social platform, and the full payment details are provided after approval. So it is free to apply. You can apply for free. Please take note. Application is free. You don't need to pay anything to apply. So once you click apply now, it's going to carry you to this wonderful form here. So you're going to first select this to record and then next. And you're going to answer a series of questions where you insert your full name, your email address, your organization or brand name, website or portfolio link, and the title of your open call, the description, the main call to action for creators, the start dates, end dates, literally all the details about your open call. So now here's the exciting part. Once you're done with this and you click submit and it is approved and you're done with the payment, now if we come to the blog here, let's click blogs. If you come to the blog, your open call is going to be featured here on the Webbie Social blog. Here now you can see this one, the open call, submit your work to the AI Film 3. So this is an open call and you can see how it is featured here. If you click it now, you'll see everything about it, the banner, the event, dates, theme, literally everything, the submission guidelines, instruction for creators, you understand what the selected artist receives and everything. So this is literally what you will get as a package. Now going back to the Webbie Social platform, let's say now I am a creator and I want to publish an open call. I want to make an entry to an open call. If I click add content here, now you can see it here, open call. And here I can put the title of my entry, if there's a link, if possible. And now from here, I will select the open call I want to enter. Okay, so you can see the AI film that we saw. By clicking here, I'll now add the website URL, add the statement, and I can also check if I want my entry to be for sale, not for sale, auction, or marked as sold. And then I can now upload an image here. That's one amazing feature that I really like. Also, if you come to events, let's just watch. If you come to events, you can see the open calls that are currently available. You understand, the open calls are currently live. Now you can see it here. Now, if you just scroll through, you'll see the more that are currently ongoing. I'm just going to click that. Okay, I think these are all the ones that are currently here. Now, let me show you another cool thing, guys. Now, if you click here, let's do this again. If you click an open call, you can add it to your Google Calendar. You can add this to your Google Calendar. So once you click that, it can be, added to your calendar, and on that particular day or ahead of that day, based on how you set your reminder, you will be reminded and you will never ever miss it. So this is one feature that I told you in my very first video about Webbie Social, that there is a Google Calendar sync feature. So you can see it here, and once I save the event, I will never forget it at all. So now that's another feature. Now another thing you need to know is that once you come home, or you can also go to Marketplace, but let's just go from the home page. On the For You page, if you want to see the entries of people that have, that have made entries to a particular open call that's currently live, you can come here to this filter section. Once you click filter, you can select open call, and then you will see all the entries to open calls. Now, here's another cool feature. If you now want to filter it down again to a particular open call. So now let's say the AI Film 3. Beautiful. You can see it here. These are the entries to the AI Film 3, that the AI Film 3 Season 2 open call that is currently live. So this is really, really cool, and you can only find it on Webbie Social. So that is literally everything about open call. What do you think about this feature? Is it really nice? Would you love to actually host your own open call, or would you love to enter a current open call that's currently live? What do you think? Put it in the comment section and let me know. And don't forget, guys, make sure you join Webbie Social. You can't find this feature elsewhere apart from on Webbie Social. Click the link around this video and join Webbie Social. You can go ahead and also get the Webbie Social Pro so that you can get amazing features like the analytics and lots more. So thank you for watching. I still remain Yaks.